Alcoholics ultimately took 12 steps. That's where the alcoholics have a 12-step program. So do you have a 12-step program? You go to school in the first grade and you end up in the 12th grade. It's a 12-step program. And consequently, Horus was the sun. The sun walked across the sky in 12 steps, called 12 Horuses. H-O-R-U-S, Horus. We today change it around and make it H-O-U-R-S. So it's 12 hours. There's actually 12 Horuses. And the sun brings light into the world. It walks across the sky in 12 steps and brings light into the world. And so consequently, and light in Latin was Lucius, or Luke, Skywalker. He does battle with Darth Vader, the Prince of Darkness. So all of this is very interesting, but it's making the point that the Eye of Horus is also known as the Eye of Ra. It represents the sun and expresses the divine omnipotence of God, the Creator. So in the ancient Egyptian, the sun represented the presence of God.
Always look at energy and how it unfurls. It always repeats. There's no other order. That will always be Aries. Every wave that is generated from a 0 point always starts with fire. Fire is God, the Creator. And then when you come over here, you've got Libra. Does that look like the sun setting? Which planet exalts in Libra?
Saturn.
Which planet exalts in Aries?
Sun.
So here you've got Horus. The sun is called Horus. Horus, which gives you the word hour. The sun exalts in Aries, and Saturn, which is called Set, exalts in Libra. So when the sun arises on the horizon, arise, horizon, horizon, arise, Horus in the east, and Saturn is every day where Libra is, where the sun set is, because Saturn is the ruler of the dark underworld here, and the sun is the ruler of the top half. Hence the exaltation of both of these two twins, twin brothers, Horus and Set. There's always a war between Jesus and Satan, Horus and Set. And so the Christians, they always have their temples facing the east, where the sun rises, and the Muslims, when they pray, they always face the west, because their God is the dying God, which is the opposite of the living God. It doesn't mean it's bad, it just means that they acknowledge the dichotomy of this universe.